we are refueling, please keep your seatbelt unfastened until the seatbelt sign is switched on. This is a no smoking flight.
Well, I can take a bag.
Right.
15 minutes behind schedule at the moment. Apologies for this. Got caught up in some traffic departing Luton. We're just finishing the last few preparations. Should run away very shortly. Expecting a flying time of 55 minutes or even less. Expecting a shortcut into Luton.
Please pay attention to illuminated signs and crew instructions, including the following safety procedures. The safety card found in your seat pocket contains important information about exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets, and the brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. The cabin crew are now pointing out the exits nearest to you. Please be aware that your nearest usable exit may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on. We recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with the strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take a life jacket from under your seat. Remove from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open, and seatbelt fastened. Further information regarding your safety on board can be found in the in-flight magazine. We hope you have a great flight.
duties. However, we do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched the seatbelt signs off in the panel above your head and the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop. All devices for messaging calls or internet access may now be used. When leaving us today, please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you. Thanks.
Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh, it's very warm. There's a big left for you.
This lift is going up. Doors closing. Doors opening. This lift is going up. Doors closing.
Oh my God.
Platform 1. Yes, I think platform. What platform are you?
God, I don't know. 11:16. Yeah, platform 1, I think.
2,000 kilograms, 26 rations.
Yeah, platform 1.
Floor 2.
Good.
Doors opening.
There we go. Now, where's platform 1?
May I have your attention,
There we go.
please? Please note, to ensure a timely departure, train doors will be locked shut up to 30 seconds before departure. This train is formed of 12 coaches calling at Parkinson, St Albans City, Western 70151.
I've never been on this train before.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This station is Luton Airport Parkway.